Hey guys, JO Group is back again with our newest listing in the Cloverdale area, 19339 72A Ave. This house right behind me sits on 3,400 square feet of land and it has 3,200 square feet of living space. Now I'm going to take you guys inside for a quick tour. Now this home isn't just a typical 3-story home. It's got an amazing chef's kitchen. It's got beautiful cream cabinetry. It's got polished granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and high ceilings for your living area as well. So as you guys can see in the kitchen, the cream cabinetry actually gives a very classic and antique feel. And it goes very well with the granite countertops, along with the stainless steel appliances look beautiful as well. I personally think this looks amazing and it makes the entire color of the house pop as well. So the recent updates to the home is the flooring and the new paint job that it's gotten. We're talking new hardwood floor, carpet, and marble flooring as well. The owners have also added a turf in the backyard and they've replaced the entire fence. So the backyard looks amazing in the back. Now, the house also already has an AC in it. It's got a vacuum in it and a surround system with its own speakers built in. And of course, what you guys all have been waiting for, this house is 7 bedrooms plus a den on the main floor, 4 bath, and a 3-bedroom mortgage helper, which is typically not found in today's market right now. So this home is about a 5-minute drive to Willowbrook Mall, restaurants, gas stations, coffee shops, and also to parks for your guys' morning and your evening strolls. So this isn't gonna last on the market for too long, guys, so make sure you get a hold of one of us to book your private showing, and we're more than happy to get you guys in. Until next time, guys, bye.